BYD Han EV, as the global ultra-safe intelligent new energy flagship sedan, has set 3 benchmarks for new energy vehicles. In terms of safety, the first blade battery is used to lead the global power battery safety to a new height. In terms of performance, the 100 km acceleration is 3.9 s. The 100 km braking distance is 32.8 meters, and the 80 km/h passed the ELT test, refreshing the Chinese speed. In terms of design, the dragon face design language and high-grade materials such as leather, real wood, and real aluminum are used to open up a harmonious and different Chinese luxury way, and won the 2021 German IF Design Award.